Good morning, class. Last class, we already finished naming and writing formula for covalent compounds. Did you finish the packet? Did you do your homework? Today, we're going to review only naming for covalent compounds. The covalent compounds occur between two nonmetals sharing electrons, has low melting and boiling point, tend to be gases at room temperatures. So the rules for naming covalent compounds are: first, name the first element by periodic table names. If the first element has only one atom, do not put the prefix mono in front of the name. Then add prefix to tell the number of atoms. Then name the second element ending with I. Now let's finish your packet or your homework. Grab your packet. Grab your periodic table that color only nonmetals, but your nonmetal including hydrogen, because the hydrogen is nonmetal. You have your suffix I, the name for the nonmetal I. Then you have the prefixes or subscripts or the number of an atom card are all the same. Let's get started for the first one. NCl3. The first element, name follow the periodic table name. What is the N? N is nitrogen. Write down. How many atoms of nitrogen? Only one. Do you put the mono prefix in front? No. Nitrogen. The second element is, yes, ending with I, chloride. Write down. How many atoms? 3. What is the prefix 3? Prefix 3, dry. NCl3 is nitrogen trichloride. XeF6. XeF6. Xe, the first element, name follow the periodic table name. What is that? Xe is xenon. Write down. How many elements on Xe? Only one. Do we put that mono in front? No mono in front. Now, second element, what is that? Fluoride. Write down. Fluoride. How many elements? 6. What is a 6? Look at that. Prefix 6. Hexa. Write down. XeF6 is xenon hexa fluoride. Next, IF7. The first name of element follow the periodic table name. What is I? I is iodine. How many atoms of I? 1. Has mono in front? No mono in front. Only iodine. F ending with I. Fluoride. Write it down. How many atoms? 7. What is a 7 on the prefix 7 on the prefix Hepta. Write down. The name of IF7 is iodine Hepta fluoride. Next, Si2 S6. Si, name follow the periodic table. What is it? Si. Si is silicon. Write down. Silicon. How many atoms? 2. What is that prefix 2? Di. Put di in front. Disilicon. What is that S? S, name with I. S is sulfide. Write down. How many atoms? 6. What is the prefix of 6? Hexa. Write down. The name of Si2 S6 is disilicon hexa sulfide. Next one, CO2. The first name of C is carbon. Write down. Carbon. How many atoms of carbon? 1. Do we put mono in front? No mono. Carbon. Next one, the second element ending with I. O is oxide. Write down. How many O? 2. What is that prefix 2? Di. The name CO2 is carbon dioxide. And now Cl F3. What is the first element? Cl. The name follow the periodic table name. Cl is chlorine. How many elements? Only 1. Put mono in front? No mono in front. The second element named with I. F is fluoride. Write down. How many elements? 3. What is the prefix 3? Tri. The name of ClF3 is chlorine trifluoride. Let's get N2F6. The first element, the name follow the periodic table. N. Yes, nitrogen. How many atoms of nitrogen? 2. What is the prefix 2? Di. Dinitrogen. The second element, name ending with I. F is fluoride. Write down. How many elements of fluoride? 6. What is the prefix 6? Hexa. Write down. The name of N2F6 is dinitrogen hexafluoride. Let's get the last one. The last one. O2F2. O. The first element is oxygen. How many atoms of O? 2. Put di. Second one, ending with I. F is fluoride. How many atoms of fluoride? 2. Di. The name of O2F2 is dioxygen, difluoride. I hope that you can finish your homework and your packet. And let's see the next class. Any question that you have it, please ask me or come after school for extra support. See you next class.